Hi, this is Stuart from Fab Lab Maker Hub here. It's another in the pop-up Fab Lab series. Today we're going to be using the vinyl cutter to make a personalised lampshade that fits on an LED. What we have here is just an ordinary LED light that you can buy at any kind of hardware shop these days. Just a little push button light. And this is just a piece of clear polypropylene that I've laser cut earlier on. The idea of this is that the plastic sheeting fits around the base and makes a lampshade that we're going to decorate with some vinyl. Okay, so I'm going to move over to Inkscape now and do my design. So I've found a nice image. I'm just going to import it. A nice kind of skyscraper-y image there. So what I need to do is get that to the right scale. Now I know that this is 20 centimeters wide by about 10 centimeters high. So I'm just going to change my document properties to match that. Switch this to centimeters. I'm going to make the width 20 and the height 10. So that's the scale. So I'm going to take my image. What I need to do, because this is a bitmap image, and we've seen bitmap images before, when you zoom in you notice that the edges are very kind of pixelated. What we need to do is convert this into a vector image. And again, we do that by doing trace bitmap, where we convert this bitmap image into a vector image. I'm going to try using brightness cutoff. That usually works quite well. That measures the brightness of the pixels and then tries to trace around the outside. That looks quite good. I'm just going to click OK to that and move my traced image out of the way. That's our original bitmap image. We don't need that one anymore. We can get rid of that. And I'm going to get my traced image here. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that. So what we need to do though is scale that to size. So what I can do, change this to centimeters here, and I can scale this, put the width to 20 and the height to 10. And that should scale the image down exactly for me. Let's just move it into the middle of the screen there and fit it on. There, that should be quite good. Now again, because we just want the outline of the image, I'm going to get rid of the fill and just add in a stroke. So there we have the outline of the skyline. I'm going to save that as an SVG file and save that into my vinyl cutting folder. And switch over to EasyCut Studio, our vinyl cutting software. I'm going to import in the skyline, there it is, and move it down to the bottom of the cutting platform. Our LED light is silver, so I thought I would use silver vinyl to match up. That matches quite well. Okay, let's load that into the machine. Let's line up our rollers and just check that we can move that backwards and forwards. Okay, just set the pressure 160, that should be fine, and we can send it off to the cutter. Again, because I'm going to be putting this on the inside of the lampshade, I want to mirror it so that when it shines out it's the right way round. Make sure we click the mirror and then we can hit cut and send it over to the cutter. And there it is done. That was nice and quick. Just to try and peel off the outside. Should be easy to do. There we go. That's quite good. Let's try weeding with our weeding tool just to get the small little windows out that the light can shine through. We have our fully weeded skyline. So what we're going to need now is a little bit of transfer tape so that we can transfer this onto our plastic sheet. On there, like that. Get our squeegee and squeegee it on. And then we can peel the backing away and leave the design on the transfer tape. Plastic for our lampshade. And we really want to just kind of line this up there like that. That's better. There we go. Peel that back. And there's our design on there. Now all that's left is to fold this up. Press that tab in. And we can get our light. Put that there. And we have our finished lamp.